Kakers bus? Are you kidding? Die? Is Kaker Katsu?
I literally got a fucking message from Patrick. Fucking almost jerked off to that.
Oh god, this fucking thread, man.
Link?
Open.
Arrow posted it already.
How about that McKendrick?
I didn't see it because I was out getting food.
Open. How about
Arrow,
that
where is it?
McKendrick, huh? Open. How about that McKendrick, huh?
How fucking stupid is this dude?
Flex gonna do some good. No.
Maddie?
Dallas.
Yes.
I mean, I already told you. He's having an autism contest with Autumn.
Fucking. It's like literally that fucking dude from Siege. He basically, like, said fucking from long hair from. Wait, wasn't it from Minecraft though?
I
I'm
don't
not
know.
sure which.
Minecraft?
when did
From
that
Siege
happen?
to Minecraft?
Yes. I'm not sure anymore.
Siege and Minecraft are like fucking opposites. One is an actual game, other is a sandbox.
Okay.
Are we
I've
playing
seen-
Siege?
No.
Why?
Because I've seen more penis than I usually want to in 1 week.
Okay.
Fuck off. This has to be an emote now.
Wait, where's the fucking? I need to like scroll back up and fuck it. I still got those other pushes. Basically, those epic edits that you made.
Someone save these fucking trap threads so we can blackmail with
Here you go.
To be honest, fucking bring those epic artworks over from the Discord to Steam Artwork, my dudes.
What?
You know, the epic ones where you basically made.
Good picture.
Crawling in my dick.
Big Venice. Fucking love this meme, to be honest.
Me right now. Mr. Eerie, by new account, you were a bad boy.
Oh yeah, sure, wait.
Lamb IRL.
Yes.
Nice dick nipple.
Thank you.
Yes. Slutty mom becomes hero. Fucking kill fuse, my dude. Yes.
You did this.
No, you did.
You caused this.
Yes.
How could you be so mean to Katsu? How could you be so
Trigger
mean
trap.
to a fucking dead person?
Steam moderator sure like that fucking dick, dude.
Don't bully dead people.
I'm pretty sure Marty's really sad posting all these threads, you know? Check out my asshole, guys. But you know, I'm pretty sad.